Sir.
Okay. So first of all, today is 30th April.
Yes, sir.
The first bond I would like to do is coordinate covalent. Coordinate covalent. Now, the main condition of this bond is
Sir, I
electron.
can't see your writings.
Why? Can the others see my writings?
I can
Yes,
only
sir.
see the
Sir.
whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can say.
Origin, thank you. So, electron pair is donated by one and shared by both. Shared by both.
The electron pair is different. What is?
Electron pair is donated by one and shared by both. Example, NH4 plus ion. What is the name of this ion? Ammonium. Ammonium. Okay. So, what is the structure of ammonia? NH3. So, this is N having 5 outermost electrons, 5 crosses, and I will draw 3 dots that will represent 3 hydrogen. So one pair, one pair, one pair. So hydrogen is having its duplet. 3 such duplets are here. Okay, now this and this, where you can see the dashes are there. This, again a dash, or this, with a dash. These are called bonded pairs. Bonded pairs. And if you only see 2 dots like this, or 2 crosses, these are called lone pairs. Lone pairs. Arijit, I hope there is some background noise. You can mute yourself.
Means that the 2x means above n is lone pairs.
Correct. Very good. 2x above n is lone pair. Very good. So this is LP for lone pairs and this is BP for bonded pairs. Origin BP stands for
Blood pressure. So no, not blood pressure, bonded pair. In here,
Okay,
bonded pair.
okay. Let us go ahead. So
I was joking. I'm not serious.
yeah. So now what happens that so this is how NH3 is represented. Left hand side I have shown you the structure. Right hand side where I have written only NH3 is the molecule. Now one more thing you have to remember that hydrogen has 1 proton and 1 electron. If it loses the electron, it will get converted to H plus ion. Yes or no?
And says 0 neutron.
Correct, 0 neutron. So hydrogen has 1 proton and 1 electron. When this electron is lost, it gets converted to H plus ion. Now, if by chance this H plus ion comes near NH3, we already know that nitrogen is having a lone pair from the previous diagram. So what will be the next step is this lone pair will be forwarded to these H plus ions. So the next step will be something like this. So N to the right one H, to the left one H, below one H. And above we are having H plus. All of them are associated, but these two electrons, I should put a cross actually, these two electrons are forwarded to H plus, so the red arrow has also to be given. So NH3 gave its lone pair to H plus, and now the entire structure will be a single one. See, I am doing the entire structure within one single box. This has to be the case. Okay, the entire structure within a single
Sir,
box.
there are no circles.
There are no, here no, because in case of coordinate bond, they will ask you to draw the structure. So if we carefully look at this structure, what we will understand? We will understand that there are 2x electrons. There are 2x electrons, this and this, and an arrow is there which is heading towards H plus. So X
Sir,
means
I
the
have a question to you. Sir,
yeah.
sir, this is the coordinate one.
This is a coordinate covalent bond, not coordinate. You have
That
to say
this one, sir.
coordinate. Yes, the one within the black box.
Okay, sir.
And what you really need to do is you have to represent those two crosses to show that which electrons are being shared.
Sir,
Okay,
beside that, we have
sir.
to write this one.
Yes.
H plus. Okay, sir.
Can I go to the next page?
No, sir,
Yes.
wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is there
Yes.
any bond called banana bond?
What bond? Banana bond.
Yes, sir.
What type of language is this, Aradhya?
What happened?
Are you focus on your
Banana
studies? I heard about this.
Finished? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or is it again you are using your fingers to show some magic?
No, sir, I'm taking screenshot.
Okay. So the next page. So whenever you will see a coordinate covalent bond, how will you understand? So now, if you are seeing any sort of diagram like this, okay, this is one edge, this is another edge, this is another edge, and edge here with the arrow like this. What will you mean? What is the meaning of this diagram? Who can tell me the meaning of this diagram?
Sir, NH4.
That is so I know that NH4, but what is the meaning of this diagram?
Sir, NH4 plus. No, sir, can't.
You can't. That means you have not understood the previous thing.
Sir, it means there is 4 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen.
No, look at this diagram. I have
Sir,
gone to the
it means
look at this diagram. As I told you that whenever you see the arrow, that means that particular electron pair is being donated. So again, moving to the next page, see the arrow. Where exactly is the arrow? The arrow is between this nitrogen
H.
and this H.
Towards
So
H, positive ion.
this nitrogen, this was the original condition. Okay. These are the bonded pairs. These are the bonded pairs. And here was the lone pair. This was the
Lone
lone pair.
pairs.
When H plus came, this lone pair actually are directed towards the H plus. So the arrow clearly shows you the lone pairs are directed from which direction to which direction.
Sir, we can draw the lone pairs at any site.
At any side. But the arrow has to be given.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Sir,
Sir,
so
why
we
you have
can
Yes,
not
give
sir.
here also.
put a line between X and the dot?
Yes, this
So
time I
we
did not do because just to show you the lone pair and nothing else. Just to show
Oh,
you the lone pairs.
Sir, we can give there also the H in that part in left hand side.
Yes, anywhere, anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Another important diagram I should show of this coordinate covalent is from H2O to H3O plus. This is also another one. So let us first draw H2O. H2O looks like this. H here, okay. Having a look at the diagram, Simon, can you tell me how many lone pair and how many bonded pairs are there? How many LP and how many BP are there?
Sir, I will
sir,
say
2 LP and 2 BP.
Very good.
yes.
2 LP, 2 BP. Okay. So now, how many BP lone pairs are there? 2. So if by chance H plus ion comes near it, there are 2 options which are available. Either this lone pair or this lone pair. Any one of them can be distributed. So let
Yes,
this
sir.
H plus come here. Here is the H plus I have brought. So let this lone pair be directed and we are getting something like this. H, O, then H, arrow towards H plus, still a lone pair is there. So this is actually the structure of H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion. It is called hydronium. Hydronium ion. Finished? Can I go
sir,
ahead?
why?
Wait, sir, wait, sir, wait, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, no, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, hello, hello. Tell me.
Sir, why H3O? Because there is a positive sign, so hydrogen will lose H1O.
Okay, basically H3O
I
means
thought it will
since,
be H1O.
no, I'll tell you that there are 3 hydrogen in this H3O. One of the hydrogen is H plus. So this should be H3O plus. There are 3 hydrogen. One of the hydrogen is H plus. So you have to write H3O with a plus sign, H3O plus. But you cannot write H2O and H plus. That is correct. You have to write
Sir,
H3O
please tell
plus.
again.
Yes,
Sir, please tell again.
yes, I am telling my dear friend. Here it is. H2O water. This gets combined with one H plus and these together will form H3O with a plus sign. H3O with a plus sign. But you cannot write H2OH plus. That is not possible. Please do not write H2O and H plus. That is incorrect. write H3 of
Yes,
us.
sir.
Okay?
I was thinking about that only.
That is why I have told.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you
Sir,
upload this live video
why
in our
we
school app?
cannot write H2?
H2. You are already having H2. You are already having H2. Water has H2O. After that, you are adding one H plus. So H2 plus H plus will give you H3 plus. And oxygen is there. Can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir.
Sir,
Aspina,
can
are
you
you
upload
understand?
this live class in our school app?
I to daily do that, my dear friend.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir, complete.
Can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will show you hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Two molecules are involved. Molecules must be same. Molecules must be same, comma, molecules must contain hydrogen and an electronegative element. Must contain hydrogen and an electronegative element. Hydrogen bond takes place between H of one molecule and electronegative element
Sir,
of
what you have written this one H/B.
which one? Hydrogen bonding, H bond, molecules, H bond.
Sir,
It's
what
not
did you write that?
H dash bond, and this is molecules. Okay,
Sir, what did you write? Sir,
is it okay now?
sir, what did you write that molecules must contain hydrogen and
And
an
electronegative, electronegative. An element of the second molecule. All of you, please see the videos that I upload. Those are useful for you.
Yes, sir.
Arijit, You have not submitted the homework. I'll mark you absent for the entire month of May.
Yes, sir. I have submitted. Why it is not going? I don't know, sir.
Because you have submitted, that's why.
Sir, I also submitted mine.
I know that. Okay, so how it looks, let us take an example. Example, water, H2O. First, I am drawing water, H dash O dash H. This is the first water molecule, H dash O dash H. The second water molecule, H dash O dash H. The third water molecule, and the fourth one. Now, as I told you, the bonding is between hydrogen of one molecule and electronegative element of the second molecule. So see what I am doing. Hydrogen of one molecule and electronegative of the second. Follow the dotted lines. Follow the dotted lines. So please remember, hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding is always represented by dotted lines. H of one molecule and electronegative element, the second molecule. Please remember this. Don't worry, the video will be uploaded. Orijit, Hasmina, Purbasha, Sagnik, Saimuddin, Afisa, Farah, Pustav. Nice. Opa, Pritam, Rupanjan, Aradhya, Afrin, Sneha, Shomi. So as usual, Abu Shahid is absent. There was Rupanjan. Where is he now?
Sir, I think he have internet problem.
No. He has changed his icon, RH. He is there. Shakulin, Abu Shahid are not here. Orijit is also not here.
Sir, I am here.
Here.
Sir, even I am there. Costa this fast.
Thank you.
Sir, I
customer.
think Shakulin and Abu Sahid left the school.
Abu don't leave the school. I don't know about Sakli.
Abu is in Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir. He is doing. He is playing Free Fire, I think.
Okay. So is it okay? See, we have still metallic bonding left, which we will do the next day. Our time is over. Did you understand
Yes, sir.
hydrogen bonding? They will
Yes,
ask,
sir.
Yes,
will
sir.
ask you to show hydrogen bonding. See the way I have drawn. This is the way you people also have to do the hydrogen bonding. What you really need to do is see the dotted line between hydrogen of one and maybe chlorine, maybe oxygen of the other one. The dotted lines. These are the hydrogen bonding. How many hydrogen bondings I have shown here?
3.
3.
Sir, how many?
Please count the blue
Sir,
box.
bonding is 3, but the elements are 4.
No. Elements are 4. Hey, who is that?
Sagnik.
I will send you to SSKM hospital. Special permission to test. Anyway, so whenever you see that one hydrogen and the other element are represented by means of dotted line, you will understand that hydrogen bond is there. Something like this, H dot 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 Cl. Again, you are having H CH. This is how you should do. Okay. So you have to find out the dotted lines. Dotted lines means hydrogen bonding. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, there should be an hydrogen in every reaction.
Every one hydrogen and the other electronegative element.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, thank you. See you all.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
And just
Thank you, sir.
quiet. Monday I will teach you this thing called metallic bonding.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye,
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 sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.